I'm Denny Hartog with AgroEcoPower. I've been with the company ever since they came to the United States, and my background is I sold agriculture equipment for 20 years. Run on to AgroEcoPower on an online application. Thought they had some interesting products and started checking into them. My main concern was to make sure what they were selling was safe, it actually worked, and something that you could be proud to sell.
I'm Lucas Pavel, Sales and Operations Manager, United States. I am proud to represent AgroEcoPower in the US. This is an ECM tuning company with a reputation and a history going back to 1999 in the Czech Republic. And we've got operations in the United States since 2014.
Once we got the combine done and visited with you guys and realized that it was not only turning it up, it was the torque too, and torque is a lot of it. It means an awful lot, probably more than the turn up. But and we've tractor pulled through the years and everything else, and we know what torque means. And so after thinking about it and talking about it, we was well pleased in what we had you to do.
There was enough going on with computer chips and programming in the past of what we've heard, you know, and us in the farming community, everyone talks about what works, what doesn't work, and this seemed about a more realistic way of putting more horsepower and torque to the tractor, because, you know, the way tractors are built these days, you know, it's all about just the fuel that's in the tractor. The motors, the cubic inches are all the same. So we felt this was the more economical way for us to go.
Some of these smaller tractors, you do your history work on it or check over how far it can be turned up safely. And some of them tractors we can turn up, and we got a big tractor now, I have a little one. And they perform and they run the same. I mean, the temperature gauges and everything else, we watched very close on all of it. And just couldn't see no difference than before, except we had some lugging ability and a little more power.
The money that we're going to save on buying that tractor that's a little bit smaller, which is capable of increasing the torque and horsepower and doing exactly what we need, that next size tractor is going to cost us. We're already money ahead by going to that next size smaller tractor and do what we need to do.
We got lugging ability, and just being around the tractor, they act clear different than that they did before.
I've already spread the word out to a lot of friends and neighbors that doesn't have it, just that this was the way to go. Name is Chad Anderson, farm.
Paul Emley, farmer here in Kewanee, Illinois.